Hey everybody, how's it going? So today got a quick video and also shout out to my wife's channel. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? So today's just going to be a quick video. Wife asked me to pick up a couple things while I was out. I was on a service call. Stopped by Home Depot, picked up 4 more amend bags. She only used, and she has videos coming out that will show this. Previously, I did a video right before this one, or several videos before this one, I should say, from Home Depot as well as Lowe's. Picked up, I believe, yeah, it was 4 bags of amend that time. It was 2 of these pots, but they were a dark blue. These are the exact same size pots. They're green instead of blue, and the reason is grabbed 2 of the blue ones, and that was what we needed because we had 2 Playboy rose plants outside. That's the type of rose they are. They're called Playboy roses. They're rose trees, and they needed pots. They kept getting knocked over from the wind, and they needed to pick up pots. And then that same day we went to Lowe's and ended up rescuing 2 other rose plants. One was called an Intrigue, and the other one I can't remember off the top of my head. We'll go outside and look at them real quick. But this is more of a shout out to my wife's channel. I'll leave cards up here for her gardening videos. So these pots are green. They're not an ugly green. They're not my favorite. I would have loved like a red or maybe 2 more of the dark blue ones, but they didn't have any more of the dark blue ones. The dark blue ones that we picked up last time were actually the 2 that they had. We only ended up using about 70% of this bag to fill these up, and what my wife did to fill these up is she took some of our dirt from the ground that I shoveled probably 40 cubic feet of dirt over to the tree, the pine tree outside when we were digging the hole, the 20 foot by 4.5 foot wide, and then the 3.5 foot wide by like 17 or 20 feet. Also, I think that was actually more like 24 feet because it went around a corner. We went 9 inches deep, so there was plenty of room for plants to grow down before they hit their soil. Our Arizona soil, we used a lot of these amend bags. My wife loves them. She uses the raised bed as well, and we do have some grow mulch of these bags as well. These bags are locally made, and these bags are made to the state that you buy them in, which is kind of nice. Each one, Kellogg has a plant in every state, and they make these bags, the amend, the grow mulch, as well as the raised bed. I believe they have some other bags as well. They make them in the state that you are in. So these are made particularly to your state. So if you're not going to want to pick up these in Arizona and go to Florida as an example, they might not work. But they're very helpful if you call them. You can ask them any questions you like, or you can ask my wife about them. But those are what was picked up there. And hey Zorro, how you doing, buddy? Bring you guys out here real quick. This is my wife's garden. A lot of things bolted because it got hot, which means that they're flowering. So that is the Burst of Joy. This is a, I can't remember the name of this, but it's like a a salsa or fiesta or something. It's a very feisty named rose. My wife can answer that question on that one. She remembers it more than I do. Something. This one is the Double Delight, which has a rose. It didn't open very well for some reason. This is the first rose it's had since we got it in I don't know how many months. Definitely being eaten. You can see the leaves on it. It's got lots of fresh leaves. It's being eaten by caterpillars or something. This guy right here has bloomed a lot of roses. So these two right here are the Playboys. They're orange, as you can tell. Looks like the wind has knocked some of the flowers off on all these. My wife did a video that, you know, how to clip these buds off so it can grow new buds and how you would do that. These are both Playboys. Here's the greenish pots, the really dark green pots. They're the same size, but there is differences. This one's more flat. This one's shorter. It's about the width of my finger on the flat, and it curves down on this side. Curves flat on the inside, where this one kind of has a rounded bevel. The two green ones in the house that I just showed you are 100% identical in style to this one in particular. It's got a really wide base, about 2 fingers wide. Has a curved bevel to the inside, and it kind of and these are the ones that we rescued. So these look like new flowers. There's several buds on this one. It's definitely opening. This one was completely dry. I mean dry to the bone. My wife put it in a container in the house so we could do some videos on it, and it was a kitchen container for like food. She dropped it in that, which will hold like, I don't know, it was like 2 or 3 pounds worth of noodles. And it was so bone dry it sucked up like 4 or 5 inches high, and the size of the bowl. And the bowl was about the base of this and the bottom, but it was really wide. That bowl came out to like way out here, about 4 or 5 inches, and it was high. The water was like up here in the bowl. It sucked all that water down in, it was like, I don't know, 2 hours. So it was extremely dry. This one is called a knockout rose, and this is a tree. Blooms spring, frost, 3 to 4 feet high, 3 to 4 feet wide, zones 5 to 11. Excellent disease resistant. This guy is the one I was talking about. It's called the Intrigue. That's another tag. That's the purchase tag. Spring, summer, fall, not winter. The hardness level on this one is kind of questionable. It says 0 to -10 degrees, zone 6. This tag, which looks like it came from the company that AARS Winner, which is the company that, I guess, the company that provided it to the nursery, and the nursery that provided it to Home Depot, not sure. But this tag says cold hardness, protect at 15 degrees. So this one is stating no more than 15 degrees it can handle, but this tag is saying that it can handle 0 to -10. So I'm not too sure. My wife will have to find out more on that. But this one has really deep purple buds, as you can see here. They do kind of turn to a pinkish color. Some of these buds are really red. Lots of pink in them with red, and they got lots of like striping in the leaves. So beautiful roses. So those 2 green containers are for these 2 guys right here. This one is definitely the tallest one out of all of them. The Intrigue is definitely the shortest, but they're all going in the same size pots. just a quick update video, guys. She's got lots of other things in here. These guys right here, which are like Star Galaxy something. I don't remember what they're called. My wife can inform you of what all these things are called. I do definitely appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. Zoro. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me today, checking out the video. Please go check out my wife's videos for gardening and makeup and food and all kinds of other stuff. My wife does a lot of gardening videos, more than she does makeup nowadays. So that might be something you guys might be interested in. Just my quick video, shout out video. I understand some subscribers that watch this channel don't want to see this stuff, but some people do like it. And it's more or less, it's just a shout out and to help my wife's channel out. And I hope that, you know, if you guys like the content, that you'll stick around. I got lots and lots of tool videos for you guys, so don't worry. There's tool videos, automotive videos, there's electronics videos, gaming videos for some of my subscribers that like the gaming videos I do. That stuff's not going away. Just want to help out my wife a little bit. She does work hard on her videos as well. Appreciate you guys watching, as always. Please like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Like, comment, subscribe to my wife's channel. Smush the bell notification on my channel. Smush the bell notification on her channel. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. My wife also does have some videos I think she's got in the works for tips on how to get makeup and stuff off Instagram. Go check out her Instagram. Go check out my Instagram. I post sneak peek video or photos and stuff like that on my Instagram. She posts gardening stuff on hers, makeup stuff on hers, and all kinds of other stuff. Please check out my Acme Tools affiliate links, my Amazon affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. If you like what we're doing on the channel, you like what my wife's doing on the channel, let us know in a comment. Appreciate you guys. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Hope it goes well for you guys. And hope to see you guys on the next video. Peace!